All right, guys, welcome to another video. So today we're talking about January 2024 Nomadik Box. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, January 2024 Nomadik Box. So if you're unfamiliar with Nomadik Box, this awesome little box comes to me every single month with outdoor gear. Yes, outdoor gear. It's a subscription service. It can run you anywhere from about $32, $33 to about $29, according to how many months you pick. You can do one box, you can do 6 months, you can do 12 months, and each month, if you do an extended subscription, each month a box like this will show up at your door with outdoor gear. All right, so you get to pick your phone, your shoe size, all that kind of fun stuff. And if anything in this box is related to your, like socks, I've gotten socks before, they know what size to send you. You can suspend it. If you know you're going to be out of town when this box comes in, you can say, stop this month, pick up next month, and you'll still get the same number you subscribe for. Ironclad guarantee. Anything in this box that is broken, damaged, I already have one. All I got to do is reach out to Nomadik, and they will send me a replacement item. I did pay for a subscription for Nomadik. When that subscription ended, Nomadik reached out to me and said, hey, we want to send you some more boxes. So that's what this is. This is a box sent to me for you guys to unbox. I'll have a link to Nomadik in the description. You can get over and check that out. But let's dive into this, see what we got for January 2024. So we're going to be using what we have today, the Outdoor Edge Sidewinder, which is a retractable box blade. Yes, we've done a review on this knife. I'll put a card up top, one side or the other. You can go check that video out. So let's see what we have in this box. We'll keep that handy. All right, so we have a pamphlet. Let's set this down. Every month we get a pamphlet. So the pamphlet has a theme. So this is a Vagabond Voyager. So we have a cool picture on the front. We have a description of all the items we have. Looks like we have 4 items in this box. We have tips that usually relate to the theme. We have a challenge, and where you can win products. If you subscribe to Nomadik and you get this box in, there's a challenge where you can take pictures of you using the gear and submit it for a chance to win some stuff. They have brand discounts. They've changed it to a QR code, so we're gonna keep that pamphlet handy. Let's see what we have this month. So again, this is January 2024. We got some pine straw. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. And let's see. I don't know, big item, small item. I don't know what we got here. So let's just grab one. What is this? Dry Fox Travel Pack Towel, 4 ounces, 20 inches by 40 inches, Dry Fox Company. So let's take the sleeve off. But it is a packable camp towel. Okay. We got a little, okay, that thing is huge. Check that out. That thing is massive. So it's got a, okay, so the little strap has a little pop tab on it so you can hang it. And there you go. This thing is massive. What did I say? 20 inches by 40 inches. A packable camp towel, and it folds up really, really small. So, all right, so we got that. What else do we have? Let's go with another, oh, let's go with our sticker. So there's our sticker. Yep, really cool. Get a sticker every month. So, Pack Stack. This is a 40-liter tall. They have a 60-liter and they have a short. So this one is 40 and tall. So this is a packable, I don't know if you can see that on the back here, but it's a packable, let's just get into it. Try to slide it off so I can still read it and not tear it. But all right, so this, okay, so it packs into itself. It's got a little pocket here if it's packed up, a little loop to hang, if I can hold on to it. Let's pull it out. Oh, this is nice. So it's a little, there's the base. So you can see it's flat this way and rounded that way. So you would pack this and slide it down in your backpack based on the picture. That's pretty cool. Even if it's not for hiking, even if you were to use this for traveling, it's a way to store, say, dirty clothes. You got a handle on top. This is the 40 liter. They do make one a little bit bigger, but ripstop. If it's open, you've got a little pocket here, but it does all fold back into that pocket. This is awesome. I like this. A good zipper. Let's check out the zipper. Yes, a single zipper, not a double. It's a single zipper, but it's a little packing, I'm not gonna call it a cube, but a little packing bag. That's awesome. I love this. I'm gonna have to look this company up because I want some more of these. So this is from Pack Stack, right there. So this is pretty awesome. So there's that. What else do we have in our box? Again, this is the January 2024. We have a Bite Lemmy Raz Protein Bite Bar. There's that. And last, a lanyard. So let's get into this. How do we get into it? So we have a lanyard from Thread. Cool lanyard there that you have with the clip to clip your keys or whatever. Let's see what this says about this. Threads Wallet Neck Lanyard. Take on the outdoors in style with this neck lanyard. The perfect sidekick to carry your keys, gear, daily essentials, and more. Keep track of your stuff on the go. Express yourself with our convenient and cool lanyards. These lanyards are designed with simplicity and function in mind. They are sturdy enough to hold a wallet or a phone during your travels or daily commute. Now, Threads does make a wallet. So it does have a key ring on there, so that would be perfect for this. I like this material though. It's soft. It feels really good. It's really soft. So there you go. Lanyard, if I can get it flipped around. Lanyard. I can't hold on to anything. We have a protein bar, which is 2 vegan and nut-free lemon raspberry bite bars made with sun, butter, and it's B-U-T-T-A on the pack, butter, and MCT oil. It is 1.62 ounces. Bite the bar, shred the gnar. The no regrets energy snack packed with real whole ingredients to fuel your day. These yummy bites are delicious and fun. There you go. So we have that. We got our pack towel. And we have our, what was this? Pack stack. We have our pack stack. I love the pack stack. That's my favorite thing in the whole box. But I'm gonna do my best. I say it every month. Sometimes I'm able to, sometimes I'm not. I'm gonna do my best to put prices and links in the description in case you're interested in purchasing a single item versus purchasing a Nomadik Box. But there will be a link to Nomadik Box in the description below. So get over, check out Nomadik, and see what you think. Check out their website. If you're not interested and you wanna buy something individual, go purchase the individual item. There you go, you can do that. It's a free country. There you go. So, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. And until then, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.